here is our new office. Please allow me to lead you guys around.
This is an environment that comes with diversity and innovation as standard. It's fantastic. Most importantly is how unique, spacious, and comfortable the environment is. This is our kitchen. It comes with a coffee machine, microwave, ice maker, and a refrigerator. Now usually I like to come in the morning and have my coffee. Sometimes I'll have tea instead. Okay, this is the brainstorming area. We like to sit here, relax, discuss about new concepts, new ideas about whatever products that we have in mind.
Keep moving on, here's our working area. Each workstation is customized by our own. You can choose the simple setup or just surrounded by the stuff you like. Here's my setup. As you see, I have a lot of clutters, so I choose a little shelf to organize them, such as the pens and notebook. Then after that, please let me introduce the laptop and monitor stand. It really helps because it rises up the sideline and really help my neck. I would recommend it to all of the guys who have to sit a whole day.
Okay, you're gonna love this. Follow me. This is an electric standing desk. The most versatile, most comfortable desk ever. I absolutely love it. Three main features. You've got hydraulic legs, you've got cable management. Last but not least, you've got a control panel that comes with buttons. So this allows you to adjust the height from a lower position to a standing position depending how you feel like working on that day. It's absolutely amazing.
Now I'm gonna change Chinese. 接下来呢，请让我来介绍我们公司专属专业的摄影师恩凡。
大家好，欢迎来到我的空间。然后大家在油管频道里面看到的所有的视频，包括广告视频，还有像桌搭视频，还有桌面改造视频，都是由我们自己策划、拍摄和剪辑的。
这个设备看起来挺有意思的。
那我给你介绍一下吧，它叫 Dolly Plus， 然后我们一般叫它叫走地机。它呢就是可以帮助上面的相机以一个非常匀速的状态拍摄推拉镜头或者是环绕镜头。我们很多视频里面的镜头都是由它来完成的。OK， 那么我给大家介绍一下我的桌面。那么这一块区域是我平时做一些视频剪辑，还有拍摄频道的一些 talking 镜头的地方。当我需要用到我的电脑的时候呢，我就往这里这么一坐，然后就可以打打字啊之类的。然后当我需要拍摄频道的 talking 镜头的时候呢，我就只需要移动到这个位置，然后利用我们气压臂。就可以把显示器这样转过来，这样我就可以在显示器里看到我自己的画面，或者是我需要念的一些稿子之类的。
Latest addition to the office, by far the most exciting. What do we have?
A cat condo.
A cat condo. That's right. We have a cat in the office. Now this condo is a multi-level structure. You got the bathroom.
You got the living room.
And the bedroom. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, this is even bigger than my room.
I like it.
Right.
She is our star actress, and you can find her in the previous video. Here's the tea room. We invite the guests to enjoy the tea over here. By the way, you are also the one we want to invite it. At the very last part, here's the tour room. You can see there's a lot of prototypes we're placing here. And after that, there's a wall of tour. We're already testing our product over here.
All right, that's all for the office tour.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe,
like,
leave in the comments.
And if you're interested in any of the products, we've left the link in the description below, right?
That's it.